Hey there, it's me, Agus Sakti, here again from GraphicsPresident.com. I want to tell you something. We all know online video is a key part of content's marketer's playbook. With today's technology, video content is less costly, easier to create, and more effective than ever. Independent studies show that people who view web video are 64% more likely to purchase than other visitors and increase conversion up by 150%. Many people would rather watch a video than read an article. Each day, over 100 million Americans watch online video, an increase of 43% since 2010. In September 2012 alone, 85% of US internet users viewed some type of online video content. Why should we care? Video allows business to reach a wider audience and increase marketing impact. More than 53% of the entire US population watched online video in 2012. That's 167 million people! 54.6 million people viewed videos from their mobile devices. Video equals higher viewer retention. The information retained in 1 minute of online video is equal to about 1.8 million written words. 46% of people say that seeing a product or service mentioned in an online video would encourage them to seek out more information. This is the reason why some videomaker softwares, such as VideoMaker FX, Easy Sketch Pro, explain DO video being the secret weapon of top marketers nowadays. But, as awesome as those tools truly are, if you're like us, you still need more unique template to fit your message, because all templates from software might already be used by thousands of people worldwide. But, don't worry, you just need a custom template to create a unique, engaging, and killer video, and then easily close a deal with your client. Introducing FreshSentation Volume 3. Copy and paste these 25 done-for-you animated explainer video templates. How about our previous product, FreshSentation Volume 1 and 2? Good question. You may not believe me, but the facts tell us that those products sold more than 2,000 plus copies on JVZoo. Awesome! Now, I want to bring you to the hottest product in hottest niche, FreshSentation Volume 3. With this copy, you'll get instant access to the best multi-purpose video templates for any business, such as offline business, company profile, online services, SEO, video marketing, website service, and much more. Promotional videos, restaurant, food, travel agent, and much more. Affiliate marketing. What's inside the package? 250 plus unique slides, 1,400 plus vector graphics distributed into 50 plus categories. Each of the vectors graphic comes with PNG and SVG format files, 121 music background, slide master ready, animation ready, tutorial video. Everything you need to make your awesome video marketing is covered in this bundle, which was built professionally and makes your ideas visually worth spreading. Forget about using expensive and complicated software. Now you can create your own animated explainer video like a pro using nothing but your super easy to use tool, PowerPoint. Buy now, because we are using the dime sale system. The earlier you buy it, the lower price you will get.